Howdy Ho, YouTube. Jon-Luke VGC here. Today, I will be using a team by DaniVGC that I found on Twitter as I was scrolling, attempting to find teams. I have to kind of bulk record a bunch to prep for the American holiday this weekend, and so, along with some other stuff involving that holiday, i.e. my job. So I'm kind of having to cram a bunch of recording sessions into one. So I will preface that today you're going to see two different shirts in this video because I did have to record at two different evenings. I recorded a little bit last night, came back and did the rest of the matches and these today. So there's a little, what's the word I'm trying to, the continuity gets broken of the shirts. That's why. But anyways, it is KINGDRA. That's what the viewer wanted. I saw the team and I thought, perfect. I can fulfill this request. Happy to do it. So let's take a quick look at the team. DaniVGC, by the way, used this to place runner-up in a challenge in their city, which is really cool. So I'm excited to showcase the team. Thank you so much, Danny, for making it. So to start, we have KINGDRA. Life Orb, Swift Swim, Tera Water with Muddy Water, Draco Meteor, Weather Ball, and Protect. Lots of special attack, up to 156. Start by saying 95 base special attacks, not very good. It's actually pretty low. Speed is fine, base 85, and it becomes a lot better once you get Swift Swim active. 131, very intentional to outspeed opposing Basculegions, which at adamant are 130, so that makes a lot of sense, and just a tiny little bit of bulk. So what are my thoughts on this Pokemon? It is okay so far from the teams I've faced. Bulk is solid, 116 and 118, and then 159 HP, but its special attack stat is a little lacking, so you have to have the Life Orb, which gives you additional chip. And the biggest complaint I'm going to have about this set is that 2 of these 3 moves can miss, and they miss more than I like them to. So just be aware that when you're using this team and you're utilizing KINGDRA, you will miss moves. It is an inevitability. You pair KINGDRA with Pelipper, Focus Sash, Tera Drizzle with Weather Ball, Hurricane, Tailwind, and Protect. Still nothing abnormal here. The only thing you're going to see is that it is timid instead of modest, which I've now done two videos with that, which is interesting. You have Gholdengo, Metal Coat, Tera Normal, Good as Gold with Make It Rain, Shadow Ball, Nasty Plot, and Protect. I like this. This is probably one of my preferred, or close to my preferred Gholdengo Nasty Plot set. I just normally go max speed timid. I'm just like, nope, you ain't outspeeding me. You're not outspeeding me with your opposing Gholdengo. So the notable thing here is that it's Tera Normal, which I think is really good. You can catch it in surprise, off surprise, if you see a ape going for Rage Fist or any other type of ghost move or dark move. The only problem there is that if you go against a Flamingo or basically any other mon that has Scrappy, you can't avoid the close combat, so you're going to need to get rid of them first, which maybe can be a little hard to do, especially because oftentimes Pokemon like Flamingo are sashed, but just kind of keep that in mind. We have Amoongus with a Covert Cloak. I like that tech a lot, actually. Tera Fairy, Regenerator with Rage Powder, Spore, Pollen Puff, and Protect. Tera Fairy there to take away Dragon-type moves from KINGDRA that otherwise would be super effective and make them entirely null and void. The only thing I would say about this is I think Amoongus having a Covert Cloak is cool. It guarantees a Spore. You can't get faked out. This is actually made for best of 3 open team sheet if they went to a challenge. So it's not really best of 1 tech, but it's still cool. But I maybe would prefer to see the Rocky Helmet so you could break sashes on the aforementioned Flamingo. We again have Gliscor. I don't know why. I'm not picking Gliscor teams on purpose. They just have Gliscor. Toxic Orb, Poison Heal, Tera Water with High Horsepower, Dual Wing, Sword Stance, and Protect. Exact same move set, but you'll notice the EVs of this one are different. This one instead is a lot faster than the last one I featured. It is 137, which I believe outspeeds modest Gholdengo. I believe is the calc for that probably. 124 attack is probably a bump. No, it is not. I'm not quite certain why then they went for that attack stat, but it's still really cool. And a little bit of bulk with a bunch of it in special defense to get that special defense up. And last but not least, we have Safety Goggles, Tera Ghost, Intimidate, Incineroar with Fake Out, Flare Blitz, Knockoff, and Parting Shot. Having Flare Blitz on rain teams is still pretty common. The only thing I would maybe say about this is that if you're going to have a Flare Blitz Incin on a rain team, it's normally going to be really offensive. So, and I'm talking 196 adamant, tons of offense in it. For a couple of reasons. One, the power level is lower, so it can handle the hits even better than normal, especially with its fantastic defense and special defense of base 90. Which actually, did I say KINGDRA? Well, KINGDRA is 95 and 95. I gotta make up my mind here. But anyways, all I'm saying is this. I think this Incineroar needs more attack investment. That's kind of my biggest issue with it. I think if this wasn't a rain team, this is fine. But otherwise, it doesn't necessarily need all this bulk to survive the hits you want it to. So getting that attack investment makes it a big deal for like knockoffs into important Pokemon that you otherwise can't KO with the current EV spread. So thank you so much, Danny, for making the team. I've talked long enough. Let's go ahead and hop into the battles. All right, we have Skeledirge, Primarina, Rillaboom, Kingambit, Baxcalibur, and Sneasler. Somebody taking something from the Wolf All Starters team. Lots of fake out here. Rain's looking quite good. In fact, I think I'm actually happy to lead Rain with Incin with Gliscor. Yep, let's do that. If they do not lead Kingambit, I can protect. I think they're going to fake out. So they're going to lead either Rillaboom or Sneasler, I think. So I can swap Pelipper into Incin, Kingambit, Skeledirge. Okay, that's actually fine. That's great. So I'm actually pretty happy here to double Kingambit. Yeah. Maybe I could have gone for Hurricane in case they swap. I don't think they will. I think they're going to swap Skeledirge this turn. So let's see. What do they do? Skeledirge is going to Tera what? Grass? Water. That's fine. Not really worried about that. Okay, no Protect on Gambit's huge. Which does this do? Almost all of it. Okay. I think a better play there would have been to Hurricane. I think that was a misplay to double Weather Ball in case they did have a defensive Tera. Or they... that's fine. Okay, so now there's Primarina. Cool. Who do I have? Two Mons, weak. I think... I hate clicking Muddy Water. Oh, golly, how I hate clicking Muddy Water. But... it might be my best bet here. And Tailwind. I'm gonna let my Pelipper go down here. Because then I can get Incin, and I presume to be faster than both of these. In fact, I'm almost certain I am. Okay. I missed so many Muddy Waters, dude. How much does this do? Not very much. Accuracy drop there is nice. Tailwind. Shadow Ball? I'm assuming a Shadow Ball and a Moonblast. Yeah. So this following turn, then I'm happy to fake out. Yeah. Doesn't do all that much. No special attack drop. Okay. Maybe I should have brought Gholdengo here. Okay, I think I'm actually happy to do this. How many more turns of rain are there? Three. My qualm here, like, I kind of want a Draco Meteor Skeledirge. Fake out Prim. Nice. I don't miss, that's huge. Skeledirge goes down. Luncheon couldn't move, okay. The main problem is I don't really have anything for... Okay, this is fine. I think I might be just swapping Gliscor here. Parting shot, Prim. And let Gliscor go down. I mean, I assume it is. My Pokemon selection here might have been a mistake. Okay, that's pretty good. Four. Yep, that's fine. And 5. They always get 5. Defense fell. That's fine. Hyper voice. Yep. And I survive. That's cool. Okay. There it is. Okay, throat spray. That's fine. So now you're neutral. So I could do this. I'm under Tailwind. Have they Terra'd yet? Yeah, they Terra'd Skeledirge. So I think here I can fake out Prim and Draco into Bax. It's my best play. And then hopefully I can... I don't know if I can get through Prim. Okay, no protect. It's a lot of damage to Primarina. There's a Draco, cool. There's Bax. This is gonna be close. I don't go down to Life Orb, that's huge. The rain stopped. Tailwind petered out. Okay. Do I parting shot or do I knock off? So this is 2 times stab. I think I knock off and single target Muddy Water. In hopes that I get an accuracy drop. No. I think Pokemon selection here. That was my fault. I needed Gholdengo. Do I survive this? Yes. Okay, and I'm faster. I guess I Flare Blitz. Knockoff did a decent chunk, so I think I've got a Flare Blitz here. Yeah! Woo! I should have brought different Pokemon. Whew! Should have brought different Pokemon, but that's okay. That was very close. Needed to bring Gholdengo. Should have seen that, but never punished. Good game to my opponent. Whew. They should have protected Bax. That was a turn, unless they don't have protect. But normally, loaded dice back sets carry protect, so. Whew. That was close. Okay, good game on my opponent. Let's do another one. All right. Winter Night. We have Garchomp Weavile. Just popping up a little bit more with like Ice Spinner and stuff, which I don't think it would have on this one because of Rillaboom, Gholdengo, Magmar, and Annihilate. Okay, Weavile's not my favorite. Weavile's probably Sash. That's triple Axle. And knockoff probably. It's probably like fake out, triple Axle, or knockoff and protect. So that makes it really scary for you, but I think that's fine. Maybe I want to lead like this. You and Incin. I'm gonna do this. Garchomp plus Rillaboom is always an interesting combo in my opinion because the grassy terrain is going to weaken your Earthquakes, which you're normally going to want to run unless you're running a coverage move. But my thought process is here is like, okay, I can switch one of these two Pokemon out if they don't bring out... Okay, see, like Weavile, Garchomp, that's huge. I'm honestly kind of fine with swapping in Incin here and protecting. Turn 1. My opponent is ranked quite high. They're 352, so... If I can bait a protect here, that's cash money, honestly. There's a Tera turn 1. Wow, okay. What are they going to go? Tera on the Garchomp? What are you, Tera Ground? Tera Fairy. Tera Fairy, Tera Blast. Interesting. What's special attack stat on KINGDRA? 95. That's actually not all that good. Icy Wind. That makes a lot of sense, though. I actually think they're going to go for Tera Fairy, Tera Blast here. Scale Shot. Nice. Okay. So that's pretty big. I would assume they double protect here. I think I'm happy to... I could swap Incin. Yeah, I think I'm actually happy to swap Pelipper. Go for a Muddy Water. Nice. Who comes in? Rillaboom. Cool. So I made a good play. I'm anticipating a protect on Garchomp. So this will just be a little bit of free damage. On a Rillaboom. It's not going to do much, but it's better than no damage. Yep. Watch me miss. It's only 90% accurate. Nope. Cool. How much does it even do? Probably nothing. Man, more than I thought. And we got the accuracy drop. That's pretty nice. Tera goes Tailwind, swap Incin, I think. This way they can't fake me out, and I can get a Tailwind up. Garchomp's now -2 in attack. No Annihilate. I don't actually think they have it in the back. Yep. Okay. Nice. I called the fake out. That's huge. Swords Dance. Now they're just back at neutral. I'm down to clown with this. Weather Ball. Having Swords Dance there is a little frustrating, but... I actually think I'm happy to double Rillaboom here. Nice. Confusion's not going to matter. I'm hoping this knockoff KOs. Nice, cool. They might get a KO in return, but I just have so much momentum now. Scale Shot. No. They'll get a speed boost, but... Four. Doesn't even get me down to half. There's Weavile. Okay. So Weavile can protect here. Or you can Fake Out. I actually think I'm happy to Weather Ball Weavile. Swap into Gliscor. If they go for the triple axle on the Gliscor spot, nice job. Okay, so they don't protect either. Okay, I avoid the stomping. That's huge. They're going to go for knockoff. Yep. I have Sash. How many more turns of Tailwind do I have? 2 or 1? One. So I just want to Weather Ball Weavile again. Swap into Incin. Nice. Who comes in? Gholdengo, nice. Nice chunk of damage there. I'll take this. Huge crit. Nice. -2 in defense, +2 in speed, rain stops. Okay. This game's not over by any means, but yeah, that's fine. Crit on Gholdengo was big. My opponent is playing very well right now. They can't Tera. I mean, I think I always Fake Out Weavile here. I think I go into Gliscor, Fake Out Weavile. KINGDRA in the back is looking better and better by the day. Nice. Does a KO though, that's huge. That's fine. I would prefer Incin not to go down here as long as they don't crit. That one crit saved them, yep. Weavile not going down is not amazing either. I was like Weavile flinched and couldn't move. And I don't have Aqua Jet or anything, do I? No. This is pretty bad. I need a Weavile to go down there. I thought my Fake Out would do it. Poopy. I mean, you always just... I wish I had something here. I guess I'd... High horsepower Weavile? Tailwind. Either Weavile goes down or I get the Tailwind up. Interesting choice there. I wonder why they did that. If they go after... 5... I think they lose. Yeah. There goes Weavile. The Icy Wind was smart, expecting the KO, but its special attack is so bad. Okay. I mean, I get a free hit here either way. There's a Poison Heal. How many turns of Rain are there? 4. So I protect. I Weather Ball. Garchomp. Okay. Disagree with that. That would have given me a free swap into Kingdra. Kingdra's my win con here. I have 4 turns left. They're gonna need a double protect. I don't think they can win. I think they're... Yeah, I just think they have too low. But now, if they don't get 5 hits... If they don't get 5 hits, they don't KO Gliscor. They always get 5! My gosh, that is so frustrating. They always get 5. It's fine. They still can't win as long as this does over half. Yeah, okay, I've won. They could have Earthquake, but that wouldn't KO Kingdra. I double Weather Ball. Okay, they go for a double Protect here. But even then, I need to not miss Muddy Water or... I have been practicing, and every single time my opponent gets 5, and I don't. Okay, they don't get the double. GG's to my opponents. Sorry for that outburst, but... They always get 5. And I needed 4. But we still won. Really incredible game. Fantastic, fantastic battle from my opponent. Very highly ranked 350 something. Super cool. Thank you so much for playing me. Played super duper well. Good game to my opponent. Let us do another one. Okay. We have Pelipper, Breloom, Hariyama, Torkoal, Dusclops, and Metagross. That Metagross could explode. Instant is huge here. I'm gonna need a Pelipper. I'm 131. How fast even is Breloom? Like, TBH? Base 70 speed. It would have to be max speed Jolly. which I don't think it is. So I actually think leading Gliscor here is pretty dang good. I need Pelipper. And I need you. I think our matchup into this is pretty good. I can also Tera Ghost Instant if I need to. If they lead like Metagross plus Dusclops, he about to go boom. About to go a booming. So just Tera Ghost and protect. Knock off on Dusclops. There's my Tera. Is he moving? Is he moving? Mental herb. A choice has been made. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna do it again. Is there a reason not to like knock off high horsepower here? Just see what we can do. I don't really feel like just dealing. I mean, I think someone's getting burned. One of my two Pokemon is taking a burn. I over bet on the Kaboom. But let's get some damage. If they swap Torkoal in either slot, I'm going to do something to it. Mental Herb on Dusclops is crazy, though. I will say, though, it is naturally quite bulky. That's not going to do anything. You can knock me off if you want. KO, cool. I'm going to get a bunch of damage into this Metagross really quick. Oh, it's Life Orb. Interesting. Nice chunk-o damage. Chunk-o damage. I don't want to let them double up here, so... I am cool with Weather Ball here. And a high horsepower. I mean, it's just I see no reason not to do anything else. If they do swap in Torkoal after this, I can simply Protect go into my Kingdra. Kingdra's going to quad resist. You know, I can Protect, swap into... You know the drill. If I can pick up 2 KOs here, I can stall out the rest of this Trick Room relatively easily. Base 95 special defense is also pretty good, so... It's really doubling everything. I guess I could have protected there, because, yeah, they definitely have... Bonk. Torkoal in the back, don't they? So, I should have protected the Pelipper. Predicting the double into that. Yeah. That's okay. I quad resist. So I'm pretty happy to Muddy Water. How many more turns of Trick Room are there? 2? Yeah. And Protect. Quad resisting is pretty nice. Let's see how well I can handle this eruption. I should have predicted the double into Pelipper. I should have put that a little bit more on my radar. Okay, no Tera is pretty good. Here's an eruption. How much does it do? Eh. Nightshade. Okay. I do not miss. Nice. So I can protect here. High horsepower here. They got an accuracy drop, which is nice. Tera Fire. This has a ton of special defense investment. Hits 112. Knocking it down in half is pretty massive, I think. I debate whether I should have gone for the double protect. Heat Wave is okay. I think I survived this. Barely. Cool. And they go into KINGDRA. I'll take that. Now I heal. And I get rid of Dusclops. Okay. I think maybe they anticipated the Gliscor to go down there, but... Okay. Now what? Who's left? I got rid of two of them. Hariyama. Okay. So you can fake out one of my Pokemon. But you can't fake out both. And I don't think that fake out will KO either one. Or, yeah. I'm going to double into Torkoal here. I get punished if Torkoal protects. And if they go for a wide guard, I'm fine. Yep. Nice. Cool. Okay, I think that's a win then. The turn where they didn't double Gliscor. They would have won if they doubled Gliscor. KINGDRA flinching could move, but that's fine. I get a little bit of poison heal. I can heal my poisons. And now you're burned. So I'm happy to Draco Meteor and dual Wing Beat. Okay, I hit. Doesn't quite do half, but if they don't have priority, I should be okay. As long as I don't miss this Draco. Okay, I don't. GG's to my opponent. Whew! Okay, yeah, turn where they didn't double Gliscor is the turn that I won that match. For sure. They played quite well beforehand. If they had simply doubled into the Gliscor, they would have been fine. So, I got really punished the turn that I did not protect the Pelipper. I should have assumed they were going to double into the Pelipper, assuming it was Sash. I didn't do that. And as Flygon HG says, and Pokemon Challenges says, never punished. On to the next one. Okay. Heart Trick Room. We have Porygon, Incin, Ursaluna, Amoongus, Gholdengo, and Dragonite. I think my own Incin is huge here. Personally. And Pelipper. I want my own Amoongus. Do I? Or do I just lead Amoongus? If I'm expecting a Porygon lead, I just want to lead Amoongus. with, I need KINGDRA. Pelipper. Yeah, let's do that. I think Covert Cloak on Amoongus is the primary reason. Really smart tech. Something that's actually been picking up a little bit is Covert Cloak Amoongus, particularly in Best of 1. I'm gonna step away so you can hear me drink. My water. It's water. You know, it's late. It's like 10 p.m. That's late for me. I record a bunch to get ready for the holidays this weekend. So let's see what they lead. If they lead Porygon, we are in a good position so far. They do not. Okay. Well, I have safety goggles on this Incin, right? I don't care. We're gonna Flare Blitz. Did I just side Pollen Puff? Yeah. Amoongus comes out. Who comes in? Incin? That's fine. Gholdengo protects. Good play by my opponent. Good start to this battle. Also ranked very highly, like 500 something. Not gonna do anything. Okay. I think I'm actually able to knock off Incin. Protect. Spore. Let's protect. Yeah. But I wanted to see, and there's the nasty plot. I knew they were gonna nasty plot. I could have just went for the spore to verify what it is. Incineroar Flinching couldn't move. Okay, so here's the deal. I think 100% of the time they protect here. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna knock off. And if they knock out Amoongus, they knock out Amoongus. I'm interested that they're not going the hard Trick Room route. Who did they have out in the beginning? And Amoongus. So who's in the back? This Amoongus is Covert Cloak. Ah, my opponent's playing well though. So it's gonna be a hard one, but I'm gonna show him some respect. And I'm going to, ooh. Tera Dragon probably on the Gholdengo. Yeah. Tera Water. Yep, that's what I figured. This is Tera Water, Tera Blast. Okay. Wasn't gonna answer for that. Mega Rain, that's fine. Jeez. That did so much. Is that a Life Orb? Yes. Oh, I've lost. Were you even safety goggles? Nope. Okay, I could have just spored. Okay. Not out of the woods. Not out of the woods. Not doing great, though. What's KINGDRA's base speed here? 131, so I might actually... I don't know. I think that's got to be, like, max special attack or something. Like, that was so much damage to my Incineroar. And there is Dragonite. Okay, I'm going to go KINGDRA. I'm probably faster. I think I've lost. I don't think I can win. I think not going for the Spore on Incineroar cost me this match right then and there. My opponent is playing super well. I can see why they're so highly ranked. Okay. Are you multi-scale? I don't know, honestly. What is my special attack? 156? 156 just, like, isn't that good. So I'm not surprised if that was... I wouldn't be surprised if that was Inner Focus. Yeah, and there's the Scale Shot. It's going to KO for sure. Let's see if we can glean a little information, but I think as soon as the Gholdengo got that nasty plot off, it was game over. I think my opponent respected the fact that I was safety goggles since I led with it. I think that was Inner Focus damage. So let's see. There's that. Nope. That was just that much over multi-scale. Okay, that's good. But yeah, this game's over. GG's to my opponent. They just outplayed me in the first 2 turns. I mean, there's nothing more to say about it than that. What could I have done? Should I have led something differently? I don't know, because they could have just Tera Amoongus. The team's really strong, and they played really well. They just did. I mean, there's nothing more to say about it than that. So good game to my opponent. I would need to watch that match back pretty closely to identify exactly where I messed up. But I can say for certain that the turn that I didn't go for the Spore onto Incin, because they were respecting the fact that I swapped into Pelipper to survive a Flare Blitz. Definitely was the turn that that was a turn that really set me back hugely. So good game to my opponent. Let's do another one. Okay. Trick Room. We have Armarouge, Indeedee, Mousehold, Annihilate, Smeargle, and Dragapult. Okay. So this is the whole reason we have Amoongus, right? Tera Fairy. Yeah, Tera Fairy Rage Powder. The only thing I need to do is... gosh. So I think... Yeah. Okay, so I'm leading Amoongus here every day of the week, right? Yeah. And then what? Gholdengo? I don't think this is a Trick Room team. I think that's Weakness Policy Armarouge. So I think I want to lead these two. Do I want Incin or Gholdengo? I need damage, right? So I want gold. Yeah. I'm either tearing Amoongus or Gholdengo here. Which one? Depends on the lead. But Tera normal Gholdengo with Shadow Ball can probably do me well. 52 special attack is such an odd number. Okay, it is a bump. I was like, is that a bump? 133. Okay. Well, it is 176, but... Okay, who are they bringing in? Yep. They're U-turning! Tera Fairy. Rage Powder. This is Weakness Policy. Draco Meteor. This is U-turn Weakness Policy. So don't want to hit them with a super effective move. Terra Grass. Terra Dark, nice. The reason I still Tera Fairy here, even though I expect the U-turn, is in case they do go for the Dragon Darts. So I want to prep for both options. No matter what, Dragapult will not hit my 2 Pokemon. One of the 2 Pokemon I don't want them to hit. U-turn, yep. Yarp. Knew it. And now the psychic, now the Psy spam is normally effective. Mouse holds friend guard. Yep. Okay, you're fast. I hit. Almost. KINGDRA lost some of its HP. Okay, that's fine. I am still okay with a Rage Powder here. And a Muddy Water. I think this should get rid of Armor Rouge. And I think they have to be afraid of... They're either going to follow me with Mouse Hold, or they're going to Pop Bomb, and I don't know which. Then I can take out KINGDRA the following turn. This makes me think that Ape is in the back. Did I bring Instant? I didn't. I have Pelipper and Gholdengo. Pop Bomb, yep. If I was Rocky Helmet, you get punished. Oh, they knew I wasn't Rocky Helmet because Dragapult didn't get damaged. Okay, that's fair. Expanding Force is not going to KO. Does more than I like, though. Not the Armor Rouge, please. Okay. It hit the one that mattered. Okay. Next is Pelipper. That's why I hate Muddy Water. The mouse hold switch was smart there, though, because then I think Friend Guard saved them. So Friend Guard saved them on the damage. Who are they sending out? Dragapult again? Yeah. But I think now that's offensive mouse hold if it has Pop Bomb. I think I'm actually happy just to Weather Ball and Draco Meteor, if it's going to be offensive like that. Nope. Sucker Punch I found is pretty underwhelming damage. Oh, and it survives, which isn't my favorite. That's not the worst thing in the world. Pop Bomb. Okay. Well, now I can only Sucker Punch. I'm assuming it's banded. I'm actually pretty okay with this. Almost a Sash. Okay. I do not think I'm going to protect. I'm going to make it rain. I do not think a Sucker Punch from Gholdengo can a Sucker Punch from Dragapult can KO Gholdengo. And I want to get rid of Mouse Hold so I can't Pop Bomb my Pelipper. Then after that, because it probably can't hit my Gholdengo at all. So you can Sucker Punch my Gholdengo. Yep. Yeah, it doesn't even do half. And there's the Pop Bomb. Bop. Nice. Okay, who's the last one? I would assume Annihilate. Now I have a pretty safe Tailwind and Protect. Indeedee's the last one. Oh, well then they've lost. I mean, this is a pretty free Weather Ball into Nasty Plot, right? No need to do anything else. That was canceled, yeah. If it was Ape, I think they still had a shot in it, but I don't think they could win. I would just protect Gholdengo. They can't KO Pelipper in a single turn because of Focus Sash. I get Tailwind off. And yeah, I'm -1, sure, whatever. But all of a sudden I have Hurricane. They've already Terra'd, so I have Hurricane and I have Shadow Ball, 2 super effective moves. There's no way they're winning. So really good games to my opponents. All right. I think this is not going to be the last one. So let's go ahead. Or is this going to be the last one? This one will be the last one. I'll make this the last match. You'll get the 2 shirts. The shirt difference, it'll be like a sandwich. Because the other match I did right before this is a really good showcase of KINGDRA. So good game by my opponent. Let's go ahead and hop into the outro. All right, everyone, that is the team. What are my thoughts? I don't like moves that miss. I know you won't see me using them. I used them in one tournament once for fun because I didn't care on Reg G and I got last place because I miss it all. I missed 2 Icicle Crashes in a row. I don't like moves that miss. This team is probably fine. I don't like it. I'm so sorry. I miss so many Muddy Waters doing this. I'm never playing this team. It's a good team. KINGDRA's cool. If I had like an actual substantive critique of the team, I think you need some form of grass damage somewhere. That would be my only thing. Otherwise, things like Gastrodon, like I faced a Gastrodon in a practice match against this team and it just hard walled. Like there's nothing I can do. It resists Gholdengo. It's immune to part of Pelipper. It is pretty immune to KINGDRA. Like, you know what I mean? Like Gastrodon is a big problem for this team. Not one of my favorites. It's going to have Ice Beam for Gliscor. It's going to have Muddy Water for Incin. It's going to have Ice Beam for Amoongus. You know what I mean? Like, so you need something to answer Gastrodon. That is my one big complaint. Otherwise, I'm sure the team is good. The team can perform. Not from me. From someone who misses a lot of moves. So thank you so much, DaniVGC, for making this team. If you are interested in trying it out, I will have the rental code and paste down below. And thank you for requesting KINGDRA E on the Moon 98. I have fulfilled your request. Here is your KINGDRA team. So I hope everybody has a wonderful evening. You will see me on Friday for a bit of a sillier video than normal. So everybody, let's hop on in, stick around. It's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of time into the making of that video, so I'm very excited for it. But I hope you all enjoy your evenings, and I hope you know that you are appreciated. All right, peace.